Welcome back to the Iraqi Dinar News Channel. I'm your host, Bobby King. Big changes are coming to Iraq, and they're coming sooner than you think. This isn't speculation, it's factual, it's real, and it's happening now. Don't miss what's coming next. Hit that subscribe button, support the channel, and stay locked in right here with me, Bobby King, for the most up-to-date, eye-opening Iraqi dinar news. Let's dive in. For years, the whispers of financial reform in Iraq have echoed through economic forums, currency watch groups, and political circles. But this time, it's not speculation. It's not a guess. The writing is boldly on the wall, and it's impossible to ignore. Something major is about to shift in Iraq, and it's not a distant dream. It's imminent. It's factual. And for those who've been waiting, hoping, and watching closely, this is the moment we've been anticipating. We're talking about a bold, decisive step by the Central Bank of Iraq. The project to delete the zeros, followed by a full reinstatement of the Iraqi dinar to international markets. Yes, you've heard that before. So have we all. But the difference now? The conditions are aligning perfectly, and the signals are stronger than ever. It's not a question of if, it's a matter of when, and that when appears to be very soon. The calm before the economic storm. Let's get straight to it. Iraq has been quietly laying the groundwork for a massive currency shift. Over the past few months, significant steps have taken place. The Iraqi government has passed new fiscal and monetary laws tailored to support economic stability and reduce corruption. The central bank has fortified its foreign reserves, building confidence in the country's ability to maintain exchange rate stability post-reform. Digital payment systems are expanding rapidly throughout the country, bringing the economy into the modern age and reducing dependency on cash, a major requirement before executing such a large-scale monetary shift. U.S. Treasury and IMF engagement has increased, signaling international support and oversight for what's coming next. These aren't theories. These are facts, confirmed by official releases, economic data, and insider reports that leave very little room for doubt. The project to delete the zeros. What it really means. Let's clear the air on this oft-misunderstood phrase. The project to delete the zeros is not about devaluing the currency. It's about redenomination, removing 3 zeros from the current banknotes to simplify transactions and restore purchasing power perception. For example, a 25,000 dinar note would become 25 dinars in the new system. This move is a prelude to the reinstatement of the dinar to its former international status, something Iraq lost after decades of war, sanctions, and instability. With oil production strong, regional diplomacy stabilizing, and a tech-driven financial infrastructure being rolled out, Iraq is preparing for a leap that will redefine its economy. And here's the kicker. The CBI doesn't make this move unless all systems are go. They don't risk chaos. They execute only when conditions are ideal. And those ideal conditions are coming into full view. Why now? The indicators you can't ignore. You may have heard similar claims in the past, weeks, months, even years ago. But this time, the puzzle pieces are snapping into place in real time. Parliament is no longer resisting change, they're encouraging it. Speeches in recent sessions have emphasized the need for a stable, internationally viable currency. The CBI has ramped up its public communication, preparing citizens for a major financial shift, including how to handle the exchange of old banknotes. Cross-border trade is increasingly being settled in dinars, not dollars, signaling confidence in the local currency. International contracts and oil deals are showing hints of currency diversification, an important clue that Iraq is preparing to re-enter global markets on its own terms. These developments aren't speculative. They are happening, now. Hope. After years of waiting for Iraqis, this change isn't just financial, it's deeply emotional. A stable, respected national currency means more than economic growth. It means dignity, sovereignty, and a chance to rebuild trust in institutions. For investors, contractors, and businesses who have waited patiently, and at times painfully, this shift could mean the long-awaited realization of their belief in Iraq's potential. But most importantly, for the average Iraqi citizen who has watched their country swing between despair and promise, this could be the beginning of something truly transformative. A reset. A chance to move forward, not in the shadow of war and uncertainty, but with confidence and clarity. Final thoughts. Change is inevitable. This isn't hyperbole. This isn't another, maybe next year, story. The change is happening, and it's happening soon. The CBI has all but declared it with their actions. The financial indicators back it up. And now, more than ever, Iraq has the political and economic momentum to follow through. The world should pay attention, not just to Iraq's currency, but to its resurgence as a regional powerhouse. The project to delete the zeros is the start asterisk, not the end. The reinstatement of the Iraqi dinar will send ripples far beyond the region. And when it happens, we'll look back at this moment and say, the writing really was on the wall. Stay alert. Stay hopeful. The tide is finally turning. In the end, I want to ask all my friends watching to stay positive and patient, because patience truly is the key to success. Please subscribe to my channel and show your support. Wishing you all a wonderful day. Thank you so much.